Everybody, welcome back to the show. In case you didn't know, the motorcycle show is on, and there are a ton of great bikes out there.
Yeah, you can head out to TradeX all weekend. Of course, it kicks off, I believe, this afternoon and goes all the way through till Sunday. Some great bikes, some great stories, everything. And Alex Caroni joining us from Dealey Harley Davidson, Canada.
How are you?
Alex, how are you?
Very well, thank you very much.
Always nice to see you because
we have some cool bikes today.
you bring friends.
Let's talk about this bad boy.
This bad boy is actually celebrating its 10th anniversary. It's a V-Rod anniversary edition, so basically reminisces the V-Rod first created 10 years ago that really stole the show back in the day and still does. So
yeah, and they really did do an homage to the first one with this 10-year anniversary.
Absolutely, so it's still kept its spirit in terms of its edginess, but from a look, it's still trying to replicate the feel that it you know, had back 10 years ago.
And I love the chrome color and the details. It's so cool looking.
And it's a mix of, you know, the lots of chrome that Harley is famous and renowned for, but a lot of the flat little details as well that make it a much edgier look.
Because this was this bike was you know, sort of the growth continuation of Harley into modern times as well, and it really represented that idea that, you know, we're going to do this bike and we're going to maintain Harley Davidson in it, but we're going to try some different stuff as well.
Absolutely. So a big testament of a successful story of how you can actually go away from what you're famous for and do something totally different.
And if you do it right, and 10 years later,
I was going to say, is this a custom color, just out of curiosity?
No, well, it's custom in the sense that it is a limited edition, just available this year because
Mike,
it is an anniversary. Oh,
well, no, I mean, I love this bike, period.
I think everybody
I don't think I've ever seen a Harley that I've been like, ew, they're all
Now, we're going to
awesome.
talk a little bit about Harley fashion right now. We've got three models with us. First of all, tell us about this great leather jacket.
So again, this leather jacket is inspired by a vintage iconic look that comes with the Harley Davidson brand, but it's modernized with some edgier details, just some of the stitching, and also the logo representation makes it a great, you know, accessory that you can kind of pair up with a sportier outfit or style it up if you wanted to.
And feel good when you ride too.
Absolutely, so totally functional. If you wanted to ride with that, you can not only do that in style. So
I like that what you were talking about, the retro, like the patching and stuff. You know, there's little flashes of sort of retro and the history in there as well. It's beautiful. Thank you very much. Excellent. And a little something for the dudes as well.
Look at this jacket. This is great. Tell us about this one.
So this is, again, I think one of those standards that everyone, regardless whether they're a biker fan or enthusiast or not, should have. It's a nice, super high quality leather dark brown distressed jacket that again can be styled up, styled down, very
It's got that real vintage look to it as well with the details on the leather.
Yeah, so this look right now is paired up with some very trendy skinny jeans. So again, it's kind of a look that you can pull off with.
You can motorcycle jackets are coming back into like real high-end fashion now all the time. It's
and I mean, we actually have a lot of items that are also now being noted by magazines like Flair, who see them as standard staples, as part of everyone's must-have wardrobe. So
iconic is iconic. Thank you very much.
All right, and another look for the girls here with a little bit of sparkle. Tell us what she's wearing.
Well, Athena is now pulling off a beautiful tank top that goes to show that Harley has nailed the sparkles and you know,
bejeweled.
They got the glitter going on.
Yeah, I mean the leather belt. Athena, if you just want to turn around, says it all.
Bam!
Bam! Right there. So those small details that they make them really edgy, and items that you really can have fun with in either dressing up or down, whatever you feel comfortable with. And I think, you know, this is
casual, comfortable, but fashionable.
And it fits into the whole lifestyle branding of Harley as well, right?
So all you need here is really your leather jacket, pair of gloves, and boots.
Good to go.
Good to go.
Nice.
You're good to ride.
Maybe a bike.
Maybe a bike. Let's talk about this one here. It's gorgeous.
So this is a new model for 2012. It's the Dyna Switchback. Basically, the beauty of this bike is it's very versatile, similar to some of the fashion you've seen. You can strip it down, take off the saddlebags and the windshield in less than 2 minutes with absolutely no tools.
This is amazing to me because you were showing me some of the engineering before, and people have to, you know, sort of see it at the show for themselves. But I mean, everything clicks off on this.
Absolutely. So, and it really is a convertible bike, perfect in terms of someone who's relatively new to riding too, or isn't too sure what kind of model bike they want for which usage, because with this you can easily commute downtown, or you can do a long, a 3-day trip.
Yeah, if you want to do a tour, you could do it on this bike, no worries.
And the beauty of it as well, it's got a very low seat, so in terms of people who just feel much more comfortable having their feet solidly planted on the floor while riding, this is.
You were talking about personally as well, the comfort that that's involved with riding this bike for you, and the posturing and everything just feels right when you ride it.
Yeah, this bike is really designed around human ergonomics. It's one of the first of its kind in that way, and so it is a bike that really has your whole body support your riding. So even after 8 hours, personally
you can still feel your hands.
You can still feel your. Actually, you can do all sorts of things with your hands while you're riding. So
leave that alone.
Yes.
There you go. Alex, it's always a pleasure to see you. Now, if you want to check out all the new Harley-Davidson's fun at this year's Vancouver Motorcycle Show, it's happening at TradeX starting today. That's in Abbotsford, of course. Go to the website to find out all the information where you can see these bikes and a whole lot more from Harley-Davidson.
Yeah, I was going to say, Dia, you guys going to have a whole bunch of bikes out there and lots of fun stuff?
We will, and lots of information, lots of interactive displays, but also everyone can go to our website, www.harleycanada.com, for more information of you see on the bikes and the garments.
Yeah,
so
find out what's right for you.
Thanks, Alex.
We're
Great
going
job.
to take a quick break.